Well, winter's back. What did the big flower say to the little flower? Hi, bud. You're welcome.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some.
All right. So this is what we got going on here so far. This is a hemlock 1x8 shiplap wall. So what we're going to do is continue on with this today. And this is the point that we got so far. So we're going to work up top of there, work around this door here, and go from there. All right, we'll go there.
Nice dry wood.
Somebody said, learn about cupping and crowning, you wimpy baby. I was like, I literally showed it in the friggin' video.
You wimpy baby.
You freaking dumbass. And then he said, then I noticed he commented again later, said, I don't remember something about, I know why you're a wimpy baby because of what your wife said and because all your comments are positive.
Oh, so that makes you a wimpy baby because you're actually a
I
nice
was like,
person?
I was like,
Okay.
I mean, if somebody's talking like a complete freaking idiot,
Yeah.
I'm not going to read that every day.
Mm-hmm.
And then somebody nameless, no profile picture, don't know if it's a man, a woman, a kid,
Yeah.
a dog, a cat. I have no idea who this person is.
Yeah.
Sitting in, their
Yeah.
mom's basement telling me off.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's like, freaking what a joke. Wimpy baby from the nameless, faceless loser. And Alice can't comment on the channel. And that's why we have positive comments.
You know what happens
Because-
when you call me a wimpy baby?
Because you know what happens? When you call me a wimpy baby? You know what happens when you call my YouTube channel? My YouTube channel that I run the way I want? You know what happens? Nameless, faceless guy, girl, dog, cat. You know what happens to people like you?
You don't even know your own name. And you know what happens when you don't know your own name? You just made the list! It's a list of stupid idiots, and all of you are on it!
You just got bad.
Maybe more, 31 and a half. 31 and a half. Like I said before, we're just going for like old rustic barn board look, not looking for perfection here. And these obviously ain't how-to videos, just showing you what we're doing, right? So I'm gonna show you though. See you around the trim here. Just gonna show you what we're gonna use there for trim. It's the same stuff we've been using, but if you're new here, you might not know. So this will go like there, eh? Just to clean it up a bit. And then the same thing, like up there. That'll go like up there like that. And that'll just be our trim. We like it, so that's really all that matters. And I think it'll look good. So I'm going to rip a piece for this right here, because a piece is not going to quite fit there, so we'll rip it. Divide it up to that. Maybe we'll put a piece of trim on it later. We'll wait. We'll just see how it looks first. But we'll do that when we get back, because we got to go pick up a truckload of wood. Burning wood. Want to get coffee?
Yeah, sure.
I want a coffee.
Need coffee?
Big
Coffee
time.
break?
Huh?
Coffee break?
Well, yeah, since we already got to drive here anyway.
Yeah, that's
Might as well.
true. This is true.
Want some?
No, I don't think so.
You don't know?
No.
Can I get a small coffee with 2 cream and 1 sugar.
Anything else?
No, that's it.
Okay, 115. Have a lot.
Loading up.
Imagine they blocked his whole window.
Imagine. Got it
So
all.
we're gonna take the secret way.
We'll be good
So
now.
we're gonna
Till next
take
year.
the secret way.
We just grabbed this stuff because if you remember, we had lent a couple cords to a neighbor of ours. We got that wood back, but that won't be good until next winter. It's still going to dry up season. So we grabbed a half cord of seasoned wood off another fella, and that'll hold us over. So I guess we had lent a little too much, but it's all good. So this will hold us over now. So that's what we were grabbing now. Then we'll go back, get back at that hemlock. There's that rip piece that we just put on there, and then we'll just put something along that top seam there just to bring it all together later on. So it says 26,
Yeah.
and those are like 7 1/8, kinda, something like that, close.
Or you could just literally count them right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You need 11.
That'll do it. Nobody likes a braggart. No, there was a couple smaller pieces out there. Yep. Good?
Yep. Yeah.
In there?
Yeah.
All right. We got a wall done. Looks
Pretty
good, eh?
clean.
So we'll clean up the top part there. We'll put a piece of trim up there or corner B. We'll do something to sort that out. And then obviously we're going to trim around the door later. And then there's actually going to be a closet going in this corner eventually too. So we'll get to that at some point.
Yeah. Pretty exciting. It's weird having a wall done.
Yeah.
Looks different.
Feels different walking out that door.
Yeah, it's cool.
It looks really pretty.
Yeah.
Smells good in here too.
And the roof looks really pretty.
Oh yeah.
That turned out nice, didn't it? All right.
And my bedroom.
See you in the next one.
Oh, and your bedroom wall, yeah.
Yeah.
That looks great too. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.